What are you planning to do, Mighty Mouse? Scale the wall?
I'll think of something. So long, Snowbell.
You've got guts, kid. Guts and spunk. Not to mention moxie. You've got guts, spunk, and moxie.
Okay, here we go. All right, Falcon. Hand her over and nobody gets hurt. Margalo? Margalo? You up here? Is anybody here?
I'm here.
I came for my friend Margalo. If you've heard her, oh,
You'll what?
you better tell me right now. Is she all right?
Well, why don't you ask her yourself, Whiskers? Margalo?
Margalo. Margalo, run. What are you waiting for?
This kid is priceless. Tell me, Cheeseface, does any of this sound familiar? Oh, my wing. Ow, I don't think I can fly.
What are you talking about?
I can't drill through the wood. She scammed you, okay? She played you like a harp.
Margalo, what does he mean?
Okay, now it's getting sad. Maybe this will clear things up.
My mom's ring.
I'm so sorry. I never wanted to hurt you.
But Margalo, why?
Don't be upset, Mouse Boy. She has cons smarter than you. Or did you think you were special? A real friend?
I didn't lie about that, Stuart. You are my friend.
Then come with me.
She's not going anywhere.
Oh, yes, she is.
Was that your best shot? Now let me show you mine.
Don't hurt him, Falcon!
I won't hurt him. The sidewalk will.
Can't we talk this over?
No, Stuart! Let me go! No, Falcon!
A few days in here should provide you with an attitude adjustment.
Stuart, what have I done?